Hello, my name is Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today we will learn again together 15 useful sentences in German. And our topic of today are the 15 most important verbs in German. Okay, so we will do this in 2 easy steps. First, I will tell you the sentence in German and translate everything into English so that you understand the sentence. And secondly, we will study everything actively using Quizlet. Quizlet is a kind of flashcard trainer. Okay? And in the end, you will know 15 sentences, useful sentences in German with the 15 most important German verbs. So, let's get started. Here's our first sentence. Ist Leo. Meaning is, he is Leo. And maybe you don't know it already, but I have a free German course for beginners here on YouTube, and in this course I would use images. So for the sentence ist Leo, I have an image. No, you see the image here, because what I want is that you connect the sentence, so ist Leo, to an image and not just to a translation, because this helps you to learn the language naturally. Okay, like when you studied or learned it as a baby. Okay. So, and I go even further. I will use colors. So here we have 2 colors. We see a red background color because ist, the verb to be, sein in German, it's irregular. So the red color remembers that the verb is irregular. And Leo here is green because he is the subject of the sentence. So we use nominative. Okay? So quite useful to use colors to help to understand grammar in a better way and in a quicker way. That's most important. And like I told you, this course is free. You will find it here on YouTube on my channel. The link is over here in the corner or in the description of this video. So the first sentence, ist Leo. Now let's see the other 14 sentences. Sie hat Hunger. She is hungry, but actually we say she has hunger. Sie hat Hunger. Okay. Macht Sport. He does sports. Macht Sport. And here the background color is green because machen in German it's a regular verb. And so the green color. And sports is blue because it's the direct object. And therefore it's accusative. So, no, you see, in my course for beginners, you will find also colors. Sagt ihm etwas. He tells him something. Sagt ihm etwas. Geht ins Kino. He goes to the cinema. Geht ins Kino. Kommt aus Spanien. He comes from Spain. Kommt aus Spanien. Gibt ihr etwas. He gives her something. Gibt ihr etwas. Wird ein Haus haben. He will have a house. Wird ein Haus haben. So this is future tense. So therefore we have this pink color. No? To remember, this is future tense. Sieht eine Katze. He sees a cat. Sieht eine Katze. Denkt zu viel. He thinks too much. Denkt zu viel. Nimmt ein paar Kekse. He takes some cookies. Nimmt ein paar Kekse. Sie will Pommes essen. She wants to eat fries. Sie will Pommes essen. Sie isst eine Wurst. She eats a sausage. Sie isst eine Wurst. Trinkt ein Bier. He drinks a beer. Trinkt ein Bier. Sie kann Deutsch sprechen. She can speak German. Sie kann Deutsch sprechen. And here actually it's interesting, there's a yellow background color because kann, it's a modal verb. Okay, so the modal verbs is a special group, and in my course for beginners I use the color yellow. Okay, these are the 15 most important verbs with an example sentence, and now we will study everything actively using Quizlet. So let's go to Quizlet. So here we are on Quizlet, and I created a learning set with these 15 sentences here. Quizlet, like I told you, is a flashcard trainer, so you have a variety of options to study all the content. But let's use for our case now just the flashcard mode. So we click here. And in options we have to make sure that we track our progress. Front side would be English because we want now to translate the English sentence into German, okay, to see if we know it. You can always activate the audio. In our case I will read all the sentences so we can deactivate it, and so now we can study these 15 sentences. So here we have the sentence in English, he is Leo. So normally you can pause the video. I give you also 2 or 3 seconds, but if you need, pause the video, think and try to translate the sentence into German. So how do you say this in German? Ist Leo. Because we track the progress, we can mark it as known or we have to study it still, okay? In our case we will do 2 rounds. So in the first round I will mark everything that we're still learning it, okay? And I click here. And here's our second sentence. She is hungry. But normally, remember we said she has hunger. So if you need, you can pause the video. Sie hat Hunger. He does sports. Macht Sport. He tells him something. Sagt ihm etwas. He goes to the cinema. Geht ins Kino. He comes from Spain. Kommt aus Spanien. He gives her something. Gibt ihr etwas. He will have a house. Wird ein Haus haben. He sees a cat. Sieht eine Katze. He thinks too much. Denkt zu viel. He takes some cookies. Nimmt ein paar Kekse. She wants to eat fries. Sie will Pommes essen. She eats a sausage. Sie isst eine Wurst. He drinks a beer. Trinkt ein Bier. She can speak German. Sie kann Deutsch sprechen. Yeah, so this was our first round, so therefore everything is in the box still learning. So now let's get everything into the box, we know it. Okay, and every time remember, if you repeat something, you master everything. Okay, so let's do this again. He is Leo. So now you know it. Ist Leo. Okay, and let's say we know it. She's hungry, so she has hunger. Sie hat Hunger. He does sports. Macht Sport. He tells him something. Sagt ihm etwas. He goes to the cinema. Er geht ins Kino. He comes from Spain. Er kommt aus Spanien. He gives her something. Er gibt ihr etwas. He will have a house. Er wird ein Haus haben. He sees a cat. Er sieht eine Katze. He thinks too much. Er denkt zu viel. He takes some cookies. Er nimmt ein paar Kekse. She wants to eat fries. Sie will Pommes essen. She eats a sausage. Sie isst eine Wurst. He drinks a beer. Er trinkt ein Bier. She can speak German. Sie kann Deutsch sprechen. Jawohl! I hope you also can say every or tell every sentence, okay? If you need to, you can repeat this video, no? So just repeat it and you will master it for sure. Please don't forget to like the video that more people can watch this video, and leave in a comment. Maybe I forgot an important verb or which 15 sentences you want to learn so I can make a video. And that you don't miss the video, please make sure to subscribe to this video, to my channel, sorry. And as a little present, you will find over here in the corner or in the description a link to this learning set on Quizlet, so you can study it also by yourself. Okay, and don't forget that I have a basic course for beginners to learn German, and the link is also in the description or here in the corner. Okay, so thank you very much, vielen Dank und bis bald.